Well, a line of thunderstorms raced their way through the region earlier this morning, but now we are seeing more of a partly cloudy sky, and some of us are actually seeing some sunshine, so much quieter conditions as we head into the evening and the overnight. And it looks like that cooler air will be in place as well for us, so overnight lows dropping into the upper 40s. Now, things are going to change for us. They're not going to remain this quiet. It will remain quiet tonight and also for us tomorrow with a few more clouds during the afternoon, but our next chance of rain is on the way, and it's going to come in from the west. This will be another system which will provide more downpours, and not only just a quick downpour like we saw this morning from the thunderstorms, but this one looks to be more of a prolonged period of rain that we'll see throughout the entire day on Friday. But we'll get to that. Let's go ahead and take a look at right now. 66 degrees, mostly cloudy, a few sun rays peeking from behind the clouds here in Marquette. Winds at 16 miles per hour out of the northwest, and temperatures for us are in the middle 60s, so cooling off, and especially with the winds as high as they are, it feels a little cooler. But off to the west, not too much difference for us. 66 in Ontonagon, at 66 in Ironwood, lower 70s in Crystal Falls and in Florence, both at 71 degrees. Farther to the east, actually very cool over into Sault Ste. Marie at 54. Lower 60s in Munising and Manistee, 70 degrees in Escanaba and Ishpeming, right now at 66 degrees. And here's a look at those winds. Right now coming in from that northwesterly direction at 23, very windy there in Houghton, 22 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, while at 17 in Munising, 10 miles per hour in Escanaba, and at 10 also as you go your way over into Ironwood. Now winds should die off for us a little more as we head into the evening, maybe around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so not completely dying, but still going to remain relatively light from what we have seen today. And look at temperatures right now across the state. Cooling off across the UP, and in lower Michigan, look at how things are really warming up. 87 degrees in Flint, almost at 90 in Detroit at 89 degrees, while at 83 in Lansing. And of course they are warmer than where they were yesterday, so 12 degrees warmer in Detroit, 12 degrees also into Port Huron, while cooling off here across the UP as that cool air enters, and we'll see more of that as we head into the evening. 14-degree difference here into Marquette, and that 17-degree difference in Sault Ste. Marie. Here's a look at our headlines. Throughout the night with that cool air in place, we will be seeing temperatures drop into the upper 40s. Some partially clear skies for us. Some clouds are possible, but not going to see a completely cloudy overnight. And as we head into Thursday, that's when clouds begin to rebuild once again for us. It will be a gorgeous afternoon. Seasonal temperatures right around the upper 60s and the lower 70s. Very comfortable for us for this time of the year, but things don't stay quiet for long. We'll expect more of those wet conditions to work their way in as we get into Friday, but they get out of here just in time by Saturday and Sunday, so just in time for the weekend. Here's a look at our current setup. You'll notice the cool air on the backside of the system starting to drain into Minnesota, Wisconsin, and eventually sweep its way eastward as we go throughout the overnight, and then head its way off to the northeast, and it will start to loosen its hold a bit as we go into Friday. Now, what will keep temperatures down as we head into Friday will be the clouds and rain that we'll be expecting throughout the day there, and here's a look at that on our Futurecast model. Throughout the night, partially clear skies, but skies will begin to thicken with clouds as we head into Thursday afternoon. Here's our next chance of rain coming in from the southwest. It looks to hold off on Thursday, but really begin to come in as we get into early Friday morning. Just a few early showers before things become a little more heavy with all the yellows and the oranges you see. That is indicating heavy rainfall. It continues on into Friday afternoon and in Friday evening, but by Friday night, all of this starts to head off to the east. It looks like clouds will stick around for just a little while longer before really dissipating as we head into Saturday, which looks to be a beautiful afternoon for us, and it looks like Sunday, well, it starts to change once again. We'll see more of that rain on the way for us. So a pretty active period for us as we go throughout the next 4 to 5 days. Tonight's forecast dropping down to 48, mostly clear, calm winds, and for us on Thursday, will become overcast as that next system approaches. Winds out of the north at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Upper 60s in Ontonagon at 70 degrees in Lawrence, 72 in Florence, and more of the middle 60s in Marquette and in Munising, while in the upper 60s in Escanaba and in Manistee. Your 7-day forecast at 66. Skies thickening with clouds throughout the day on Thursday. A little cool for us on Friday with a lot of heavy rain in store for us. 54 degrees with a low of 46 early that morning. After that, we'll see plenty of sunshine on Saturday, but rain chances pick up once again Sunday and Monday.